Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel DBJ3. This is class 10 CBSE Mathematics. So we are learning second chapter Polynomials. Exercise. Today we will learn exercise 2.2 first questions. And if you are new to these channels, please subscribe, like, comment and share with friends. If you want to know others videos, please press icon button and go through the others videos. Okay, now let me start today's sessions. Maths is a very easy and interesting subject if you practice regularly. Okay, I'm requesting you please practice regularly. If you have some problem, if you need some clarity, please comment us. Okay. Now let me start. Now this is returns. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify relation between the zeros and the coefficients. This is chapter Polynomials exercise 2.2. Zeros means the value of variable. Okay, here your zero means value of variable. Then verify the relation. Okay, there is one more formula is there. By direct finding the value of variable and with formula question marks to verify both the cases. Okay. Now then it is quadratic means the equation is degree 2 means it is called quadratic polynomial. Okay, if it's degree 3 then it's called cubic polynomial. Degree 2 is there, the power is called degree 2 is there, that's why it is called quadratic polynomial. If there is a degree 1 then it's called linear polynomial. If degree 3 then it's called cubic polynomial. Degree 4 biquadratic or polynomial of degree 4. Okay, now we are going to study quadratic polynomial. In quadratic polynomial there are three terms. 1, 2, 3 terms is there, 3 terms is there, 3 terms is there. Okay, in general term 3 terms is there. Sometimes in the expression one term may be missing or one term may be 0. Okay, now according to the general formula of quadratic is ax square plus bx plus this is called general quadratic equations. Okay, according to this general quadratic equations, x square is always in front of all the terms, the x terms, and the last is coefficient. Remember, sometimes there is terms is placed randomly. We need to rearrange it. Okay, sometimes we need to rearrange it. That's why please remember the pattern of the equations. Okay, remember the pattern equation. First square, then x square, then x, then constant. Okay, first square term, last is constant, and in between single degree terms. Okay, and remember this pattern. After knowing this pattern, if sometimes the equation is need to rearrange, so you have to arrange according to this pattern. Look at it. This equation is in the arranged form of b square x constant square x. Okay, this equation need to rearrange because always x, the terms with the x is always at the middle. Okay, and this coefficient is always at the last. X square is always first and coefficient is always last. Remember another the variable term, this 7x always at the middle. Just look at here, square terms in front of all the terms and single x variable in between, then last is constant term. Remember, okay, and this is the pattern of the equation. If the equations are not in according to this pattern, we need to arrange sometimes. Okay, and then what is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial is that the equation which has the highest degree is 2. Okay, if there is no degree 2 means quadratic, if degree is 1 means linear, degree 3 means cubic. Okay, now I think you understood the basic equation of quadratic polynomial, and you have to arrange the equation according to these basic equations. Okay, if it is randomly placed, you have to arrange. Okay, rearrange in the form of this quadratic polynomial. Okay, now there are three terms. Okay, there are three terms. According to, I have to factorize this quadratic polynomial. To factorize, either we need always even number of terms. Okay, even number of terms. If there is even number of terms, then it's okay. Then you take the common directly. If there is no even number term is not there, if there is an odd number terms, then we have to break the middle number into two terms. Okay. After breaking middle number into two terms, it's become even number of terms because there is a third terms is there, three terms are there. Three terms are there. Then after breaking this middle number, it will be 2. Then altogether we will get 4 terms. That means if there is a odd number of terms, we have to break the middle term and to make the even number of term. Okay. Then there is a some process to break the middle term. I will explain later on. Okay. There is no need to break because even number term is there. No need to break even number term is there. That means we can find the value of variable directly from these two equations. But for these two equations, we need to break the middle term. Okay, and this is called factorization method. Okay. Now, there is a process is there to get the factorization of quadratic equation, and this is very important because in any chapter sometimes we have to use this quadratic equation to solve our problem. And this is the very important quadratic equations. If you got the concept of solving this quadratic equation, that means you can solve any type of quadratic equation in later on the chapters. Okay, that's why let me explain. Okay, I'll explain this question by solving it. Look at here. I think you understood the general form of quadratic equation. If the quadratic equation not in general form, then rearrange it to general form. Okay. Now now there is three terms, that means even number. The three terms, that means odd number of terms, not even odd number of terms. Okay, if the terms are odd, then always we need to break the middle number as 2. Okay, to make this middle number into two parts. Okay, there is a rule to make two parts. Okay, I will explain. First step, if there is a coefficient, the number in front of x square is called coefficient. Okay, the number in front of x square is called coefficient of x square. Number in front of x is called coefficient of x, and number with a variable is called constant. And this is the coefficient of 1 is the coefficient of x square. If there is number is not there, that means 1 is always there. 1 is always any object. Okay, how many marker? 1 marker. How many whiteboard? 1. That means 1 is always attached with any object. Okay, that's why if there is no number, then imagine there think there is a 1 is there. Okay, 1 is there, and coefficient of x is 2 and constant term is 8. Now, what is the first process to do the factorization? First, you need to multiply this coefficient of x square and constant term. Okay, multiply this coefficient of x square and constant term. Okay, then what is their product? 1 is 8. 1 is 8. And now give the factor of 8. You can do directly also, otherwise take the help of this factor of dividing method to get the factors. Then 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. Okay, now this is 2 2 2 1. That means what is the first step? First, arrange the equation according to general form. After arranging the equation, get the product of coefficient of variable square and constant term. Variable square means sometimes there may be a square, sometimes there may be b square, any letter square. That's why I'm saying variable square. In this case, coefficient of x square and constant term. Okay, after getting product, get the prime factor of product and write this prime factor. And out of this prime factor, okay, many prime factors will be there. Okay, in this case, simple prime factors are there. In other cases, some cases will give them any large number of prime factor. Out of this large number of prime factor, make two groups. Okay, and make two groups. And how to make the groups? Multiply each other and makes two numbers. Okay, multiply each other, make two numbers. After making two numbers, either adding or subtracting, try to get the coefficient of middle variable. Okay, coefficient of middle number. How much is there? 2. Okay, now out of these factors, make two numbers in such a way their sum or difference must be 2. Okay, their sum or difference must be 2. Now look at here. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. This is 4 and this is 2. Now how much we have to get 2? Then how to get 2 out of these two numbers? Okay, 4 minus 2 is 2. Now we come. This is the method to get the middle term breaking. Okay, to split the middle term into two parts. Then once again, this is the basic thing. After knowing the basic thing, after getting the basic thing, you can do any type of questions. That's why take your time and try to understand all basic things. Now take the coefficients of variable square and multiply with the constant term, and from their product get the prime factors and write the prime factors. So you can do directly from there also write the prime factors, but out of these prime factors make two numbers multiplying each other. From that two numbers, either adding or subtracting, try to get the coefficients of middle term. Okay, then what is middle term? 2. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. That means we got the middle term. That means almost for 90% job is done, because if the middle term is done, then our total expression is done. That's why try to find middle term correctly. I think you got the idea. And then try other questions from your textbook. Okay. Now let me complete this one. now this 2 is split into 4 minus 2. Now this 2 is split into 4 minus 2. Then in front x square is there. If you want to write 1, write. Otherwise no need to write. Then minus in place of 2, what to write? And please take care of sign. Sign is very important in mathematics. Now in place of 2, what to write? 4 minus 2. Okay, in place of 2, 4 minus 2. That means 4 minus 2. Then x is there, minus it. Okay. Now open this bracket, multiplying with minus sign in x. Then x is square minus sign is always in front of number, not behind the number. Okay, behind this minus sign is for 2, not for 4. Okay, then minus plus minus 4 into x, 4x, then minus plus 2 into x, 2x. Okay, please take care of minus sign. Minus sign is very dangerous, it will change our answer. Then minus 8 is there. Okay, now after breaking this middle term, now our terms, even number of terms are there, and then make the group of 2, then take common. Okay, if the even numbers are terms are there, make the group of 2 and take common. Now make the group of 2 and make the group of 2. Okay, taking common means that numbers or factor which is the same. Okay, in between the two numbers. Okay, now look at it. X square is there, x is there. Okay, that means how many x is square means 2x is there and 1x is there. Then during taking the common, we'll take the minimum, least number of variable, not highest number of variable is x square is there. Then least number is x is there. That means 1x is common out of this. Okay, taking the same item out of the group is called common factors. Okay, now that means x square means 2x square is there, x into x is there, and x only is there. That means while you taking the common, we will take the minimum least number as a common, not highest number. Highest number is x square, least is x. That means we will take the least as a common. Then we are taking x as a common. Then out of x square, we are taking 1x as a common. Then how many x is left? 1x is left. Then this x as a common, we are taking this x as a common, and what is left from here? 4. Okay. Now then plus. Then you get here something is there. Take your time and try to find the common factors. Okay, common terms. And this 2 is the multiple of 2, and it is also multiple of 2. That means their common number is 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. That means their common factor is 2. Always take the minimum as a common factor. We can't take 8 because 8 is the largest number, 2 is the smallest. That means we always take the smallest as a common factor. That means we are taking this 2 as a common factor. After taking 2 as common, then what is left from here? X. Then plus minus, always take care of sign. Plus minus, plus minus, 2 how much is 8? 2 how much is 8? How much? Yes, 2 4s are 8. Now, now check the number within the bracket, are they same or not? If it is not same, either their sign or terms, everything is not same, that means our middle term bracket is on the fault, or with, or otherwise our calculation is wrong. That's why after taking the common from the group of two, their number within the bracket must be same. Everything must be same, sign, number, everything same. If everything is same, that means our middle term bracket is right. Okay. Then take this same term as a common. Take this same term as a common. Then what is same? There x minus 4 is same. And take this as a common. Then what is left from here? X, and what is left from here? 2. Okay. Now factorization is complete. And question asks to find zeros. Okay. To find the zeros, how to find the zeros? This equate this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. From there we get the value of x, and the value of x in this case in the polynomial is called zeros. Okay. Now when zeros of x minus 4 and x plus 2 are, okay, x minus 4 and x plus 2 are, x minus 4 equals to 0, then x plus 2 equals to 0. Then from here take this 4 towards right, then x is equals to how much? 4. Then from here x is equals to how much? Minus 2. Now we got the value of x. Value of x is one is minus 2, another one is 4. Now after getting the zeros, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial. After getting the zeros, question asks to verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient. Okay, there is a formula to find the sum of root, product of root is there. Okay, by using that formula, question asks to verify whether by doing this way and by that formula is same or not. Okay, okay, let me explain. To use the formula, question is there. Once again, I'm going to write these questions here. Okay, x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c, try to find the value of abc. Okay, okay, this is the standard equation of quadratic polynomial, and write the quadratic polynomial here and try to find the value of abc. A means the number in front of x square, not x square. Okay, a is the coefficient of x square, and b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant of. Okay, comparing with here with x square, what we have? 1. Okay, with x square, what we have? 1, and with x, what we have? Minus 2, and with constant of what is there? 8. Okay, then what is the value of a? While writing the value, please write with the sign. Sign is very important. Then what is the value of a? A means the number attached with x square. Number attached with x square. That means what is there? Plus 1. Please make the habit of writing number with their proper sign. If you make the habit of writing plus sign, then you never forget to write minus sign. Okay. Then what is the b? B means the number attached with x. The number attached with x is almost minus 2. Then c is almost minus 8. Okay, while writing the value, write the value with a proper sign. And there is a formula to find the sum of root and product of root. Okay, there is a formula to find the sum of root and product of root. Okay, what is the formula to find the sum of root? Alpha plus beta is called sum of root. Okay, let me write. Sum of root, but in this case you will call sum of 0. Okay, and 0 and root, don't get confused. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means their formula is, sum of zeros formula is alpha plus beta. Okay, alpha plus beta. And what is alpha and beta? It is a Greek letter to represent the two zeros of x. Okay, suppose minus 2 is your alpha, then 4 is beta. Okay, then there is a direct formula. Direct formula is minus b by a. Okay. Then let's take it. Assume this is your alpha. We can take any one as alpha and other one as a beta. Okay. Then substitute value whether we get the same answer or not. If you get same answer, then we'll verify it. Otherwise, we'll not verify it. Okay. Now sum of zeros means the sum of two answer of x, and one answer we assume is alpha, another one is beta. Okay. Now let's substitute the value of alpha minus 2, beta is 4 equals to minus b is how much minus 2, put inside bracket, sign is very important, and a is how much 1. Then minus 2 plus 4 is how much 2. Then minus plus 2 divided by 1 is how much 2 much. Let me see. By using after getting the zeros, by adding this zero or by direct formula, we are getting the same answer. Okay, we are getting the same answer. Then next one is product of zero. Product of zeros means alpha into beta. And then we have a direct formula from the equations. Direct formula is c by a. Now one is alpha, product of zeros, these are the zeros, and assume one is alpha, another one is beta. Now let's multiply minus 2 into 4 equals to c is how much minus 8, and minus 8 by a is how much 1. Now this is minus 8 equals to minus 8. Now by after getting zeros and direct formula, we are getting the same answer. And this is called, this b is called coefficient of x, and this is called coefficient of x square, and this is c is called constant term. Okay, then a is called coefficient of x square. Okay, now verified. Okay, by using the coefficient formula and by after getting the zeros, we got the same answer. That means verified. This way we have to draw those questions. I already said, okay, it is 3 terms. Obviously, you need to break the middle one into 2 parts to take the common. Okay, and if the equation is randomly is there, we will rearrange according to standard equation after rearranging and make the middle number into 2 parts. Okay, now this will do one question is there. I wrote the questions 1, 3, 4, and I think this is 5. I'm not sure. Check your textbook. Okay, now let me do one more questions. Okay, it's almost times, and the rest of the questions are there. Before that, please rearrange this one. Okay, please rearrange this one. This one just rearrange. I know how we did this question number 1 to like that. Okay, rearrange this 6x square minus 7x minus 10 to how we did question number 1. Okay, then don't forget to multiply this to 18, and then 6 3s are 18. On the 18, get the factor 3, 6 are 18, 3 2s are there. How to get this? 3, 3, 2, 1 is there. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. Then how to do this one? I'm just giving idea to solve by yourself. After completing, please comment me whether you got answer or not. Then there is only even terms there. Even term means no need to take the middle one. Just take the common. What is common? 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 10. That means 4 is common. Then u is square. U. That means minimum u is 1. And minimum common factor is 4. That means 4u, then what is left from here? U, and what is left from here? 2. Then into the zeros, and how to get the zeros of this one? Zeros of 4u and u plus 2. 4u equals to 0 and u plus 2 equals to 0, then u equals to 0 by 4, u equals to minus 2, then u equals to 0 and minus 2. This way you have to find. Okay, this is u. Okay, this is u. And for this one, and the leading item, after getting the zeros, please complete this one, verifying part. Okay, please complete this one. This is your home task. Then how to do the last one? T square minus 15 is there. Then how to do? Directly you can do the zeros of this one. Zeros of t square minus 15 equals to 0. Okay. And then t equals to 15. Then t equals to plus minus on the root 15. Then t equals to plus root 15. Then minus root 15 this way. This is one is alpha, another one is beta, and do the verifying part by yourself. Then while finding the value of ABC, I think you will get confused. What is the value of ABC? Okay, let's compare with this one. Okay, compare with a x squared plus bx plus c. Now our equation in t variable, but I wrote the equation in x variable, don't get confused. Then t square x square is same thing. Otherwise, if you are getting confused, you can write in the t variable also. Okay, like this, a t square plus bt plus c. Now t square, what is there? What is there? A is almost a equals to plus 1. Then b, t terms is not there. T terms is not there. That means b equals to 0. And constant term is there. Constant term means c. C is equals to minus 15 this way. In this case, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. Then what is the value of a? Plus 4. What is the value of b? 8 plus 8. There is no constant term, that means c is equals to 0. After getting the value of ABC, please do the verifying part. Okay, and we will learn how to get the zeros and how to do this one, how we do equation number 1, do like that. Okay, if you need some help or if you need some clarity, please comment us. Okay, now okay, we'll meet in next video. Till then, take care, and I am requesting you all, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend, and don't forget to press the bell button for new updates. Okay, thank you for